Hello friends, welcome back to English is Fun. So today we are going to learn about singular and plural nouns. As I have already told you before, nouns are the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So what is singular? Singular means one. When we are talking about one thing, one person, one animal, one place, and plural means two or many. That means when we are talking about more than two or at least two things, right? So the very first example is a ring, one ring. A dog, one dog. A teacher, one teacher. An apple, one apple. An egg, one egg. Okay, so these are the singular words or singular nouns. Now, the plural. Plural talks about two or more than two. So, two rings. That is, two rings. Here we put S. So, we have a common rule. If we have to make a singular noun to plural, what we should do? Take singular noun, add S or ES. This is one of the rule, right? We definitely have some other rules too, which we will be talking about later on. But the very first rule is add S or ES to a singular noun. So, two rings, three dogs, S, four teachers, S, 5 apples, S, 6 eggs, S. So, do you see how we added S to egg, apple, and S, teacher, and S, dog, and S, ring, and S to make them plural. So, moving on further. So, for the nouns where we add ES while changing from singular to plural, here we have few examples. A bus, two buses. So, while changing from singular to plural, we add ES. A box, four boxes. A watch, three watches. A kiss, 5 kisses. A photo, 6 photos. So, what's the rule? The rule is adding ES to singular nouns. Right. Apart from this, I would say there are further more rules and we will be learning it. Okay, so here we have some other rules. If a noun ends with S, we have to add ES. For example, bus. It ends with S. And when we add ES, it changes to buses. Right. When our noun ends with double S, we add ES. That is dresses. Okay. So, when we have SH, CH, X or Z at the end of our noun, we add ES. For example, brush plus ES, brushes. Church plus ES, churches. Box plus ES, boxes. Blitz plus ES, blitzes. So, moving on to another rule. When we have F or FE at the end of a noun, we turn F into VE. That is, we change F into VE and add S. For example, we have this word leaf. Here we have F. We change this F into VE and add. Now another example, wife. we have this word wife where we have the ending fe. So we change this ending into ve and add an s. So it turns into wives. Now the other rule is when we have a noun which ends in y. Before y, when we have a consonant, that is, apart from vowels, we have some other letter. So this y changes into ies. For example, city. Here the ending letter is y. It has a consonant before it. So this y changes into ies, cities. Now, when we have a noun which ends in y and have a vowel before it, so this y turns into s. For example, ray. Here the ending letter is y. We have a vowel, so it turns into rays. That is addition of s. Now, when we have a word which ends in o, what do? We add an es. That is potato plus es, which turns into potatoes.